learning English language for years, I have a challenge that you don't know these 10 facts about English language. Let's discuss and tell me how much of them you know. Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know that my name is Gulasan and I am from Mirpur Mathilo. We are going to discuss 10 surprising facts about English language most of the students don't know. And every learner must be know about them. In this video we are going to discuss those 10 surprising facts. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Pneumono ultra microsilicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Pneumono ultra microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Can you pronounce this word? Or have you heard this word any time? I think probably no. And I am telling you that this is a word. It has 45 letters and it is the longest word of English language. It is the name of a lung disease. It's amazing, isn't it? Let's move to the second surprising fact. Are you learning grammar for years? So tell me that which is shortest and complete English sentence? I am. Yes, I am is the shortest and complete sentence in the English language because it has both subject and verb. Let's move to the third fact. It is very surprising and related to English language. English language has only 26 letters and there are almost 1,70,000 words in the English language. It's surprising, isn't it? So my friends, let's discuss about very amazing thing. Have you heard about a sentence which has 26 letters in single sentence? A to Z. So let's listen carefully. I'm going to tell you a sentence that has 26 letters from A to Z. Listen. A quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Don't believe? Count in that sentence. You will get A to Z, all the 26 letters. My friends, here is another interesting fact, that is the word set, S-E-T. It is a word in English language that has most meanings. It means that when we use in different types of sentences, in each sentence we will get different meaning of the word set. Here is one of the biggest fact about English language, that every year around 1,000 new English words adds into the dictionaries. We are not remembering even 200 to 300 and they are increasing 1,000 words every year. Okay, let's move to the seventh amazing fact, that is English has a collection of a lot of languages. Words are in English language, actually those words related to Urdu and Hindi. Here are few words. For example, shampoo. This is not an English word, it is a Urdu word. Here is another, that is bungalow. Bungalow is also a Urdu word. Third one is pajamas. We said that pajamas. This is also a Urdu word used around the word as an English language. Here is another amazing fact, second last. E letter is most frequently letter in the English language, almost used everywhere in the world. Friends, here is the last amazing fact about English language, that is English language is a global language. Almost every uses in every country, and it is also the official language of more than 100 countries, including with UK, Canada, Australia and New Zealand. So my friends, I hope that you like these facts. My friends, these were very amazing facts about English language, and I hope that you enjoyed. And if you learned something new in this video, please share and subscribe and be the part of this journey. Meet in the day 3 video. of English 30 days English speaking challenge, and take care of yourself. And one thing I want to show you that here was a lot of sound of air, and it is very lovely weather that you can see. And thank you, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.